Have you ever wondered why 99% of music producers will never fulfill their potential or reach their goals, but the remaining 1% manage to stand out from the rest? I've uncovered some secrets that set the 1% apart from the rest of the crowd. I want to share these 10 things with you so you can get ahead of the 99% of producers starting today. Imagine you're an artist and you're on the hunt for the perfect music producer. Are you going to settle for someone who's barely on social media, hardly any Instagram posts, no beats on YouTube, no website, and just a handful of beats scattered online? Probably not. You're going to want someone who's vibrant, active, posting a lot on social media, working with different artists, music sounds good, and just oozing creativity. So that's the type of producer you need to be. So tip 1, first things first, be yourself. If you're weird, be weird. If you're an introvert, be an introvert. Own it. Be yourself. No one can be you better than you can. So own it. Envision yourself as a full-time music producer, consistent beat sales and a packed schedule. Embrace your uniqueness and let your creativity shine. Tip 2, become a fully fledged full-stack producer. This means expand your skills beyond just beat making. Learn the technicalities of mixing, mastering and music theory. Being a full-stack producer is going to open up doors and endless possibilities for you. Tip 3, be the absolute best at producing. I once heard Timbo say he's the best at what he does, and when I first heard him say, I was thinking there's other producers who are just as good, but when I've really thought about what you're saying, he's the best at what he does, and no one can't replicate. Well, you can replicate Tim's beats, but Tim is Tim. You are you. So be the best at what you do. Make your professionalism speak volumes. Tip 4, be humble. Now, I'm not saying be humble to the point where you're getting overlooked and people not paying the prices that you asked for your services. No matter how skilled you become, be humble. There's always something new to learn, and no matter who you meet, regardless of their skill level, regardless of where they are in their career, can teach you something valuable. Always be open to learning. Tip 5, network like crazy. Building connections is key. Go to events, go to your local events, go on Eventbrite, type in a Google search events in your area and get down there, meet people face to face, network online. The more people you know, the more opportunities you're gonna have. Tip 6, stay consistent, be consistent. Commit to an upload schedule for your beats or your tutorials on YouTube, your social media posts. Stay consistent, whether it's once a week or bi-weekly. That way your audience is going to know exactly what to expect from you. I've been trying to keep up a weekly upload schedule on my YouTube channel for the last couple of months. There are times where I've fell off and I've gone over a week, but if you stay consistent, it's going to help you to build that momentum. By staying consistent, it's going to help you to keep pushing forward towards your goals. Tip 7, you've got to embrace continuous learning. I've mentioned it before. Always stay open to learning new things, new techniques, new ways of making beats, new ways of mixing, new ways of mastering, staying up to date with the new sounds, new trends and latest software. Tip 8, build your brand. Create a unique brand identity. This includes your logo, your website and even your style. Make yourself hard to forget, be memorable. So by creating a unique brand, it's going to be easier for people to recognize and remember you. Tip 9, embrace failure. Failure is not the end. Failure is part of the process. It's a lesson. You learn from your mistakes. You probably learn more from your mistakes than you do from success. So when you do make mistakes, adapt and keep moving forward. My motto is every setback is a setup for a comeback. So my motto is every setback is a setup for a comeback, and that's my motto. That's what keeps me going, pushing forward. So find your own little motto, but just whatever you do, don't quit, keep going. Tip 10, you've got to do what other producers are not willing to do. So that might mean staying up late, getting up early, working long hours, investing in high quality equipment, investing in yourself, buying tutorials, reading ebooks, taking risks with your music style, thinking outside the box. Sometimes that decision you're scared to make might just be the one. Don't be that person that is too scared to try because you're worried about what others think. It's not going to get you anywhere. Spend less time worried about what people are thinking about you and how you're creating your life, doing what you love. So by working on these 10 things, making it a part of your everyday life, it's going to set you apart from the 99% of music producers who never fulfill their potential. And you're going to be in that 1% crowd. If you like this video at all, please share it out to other producers who need to see this. You can do this by clicking the like button and hitting the subscribe button for more content. I'll see you in the next one.